got a couple more parts in today. Gonna get home and get those installed. First we gotta get a coffee though, because can't do any Jeep mods without a tinnies. Thank you. Alright, coffees are loaded. Let's go install these rocker guards. We're definitely have to remove the rock sliders just because this area actually covers the pinch seam. But so then we're gonna have to drill some holes through it so we can remount the rock slider properly. But I don't know, let's see how it goes. All right. So I've gone ahead and removed these 10 mils that are on here. Just put this one back on just by hand, just for safety. And we're just pulling out these 13 mil bolts right now. Holding the rock sliders on. Don't mind my janky rock lights. Maybe we'll fix that up today while we're down here. Quick little mock-up here. I like it. The main thing, the reason we're doing this is because of this. So I would say that this is a must-have mod for anyone with a Jeep Gladiator or even a Wrangler who daily drives it, because even there you can see all of this scratching. And the Mopar and the Amazon kits that you can buy, they don't actually come out and protect you where you rub on it everywhere. So this kit, bam, nice, cool. So I've just gone along, and from the back side I made some marks with an X-Acto knife. Somewhere, yeah, from the back side, and looked through where the holes were. And so this way I'm just going to trim out this little chunk, so this way the bolts for the rock slider will still be able to mount. One of the things that I've noticed with a lot of Bushwacker products, since I work with them quite a bit actually, they even say right here, may need to cut for proper fit. Not everyone's running rock sliders, so this is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna trim out those little portions along the bottom. Alright, still got a little bit of sticky back there, so that should help. And then yeah, the guy that I had talked to earlier today, he trimmed off all of that lower section. I just felt like we should still have some sort of adhesion down here. So I guess at this point we're just going to clean her up real good, wipe her down with some alcohol, and stick them on. He's right here. So we got her lined up, and we got her kind of just a little stuck on. You peel back about 2 inches of each one of your pieces of 3M, So you have just a little bit to tack it on there and make sure you got your fitment exactly the way you want it. I've already got this strip done, so she is on there. So now we're just going to peel the rest of them off and give them a nice little push. This one's a little tricky. Last one. Got her nice and tucked up. Perfect. Alright, front one is on. I think those look pretty good. Yep. Oh, there we go. Got the driver's side all done. The fit is actually pretty good. I like it. I'm pretty satisfied with this. Probably could have went a hair forward, but I figured maybe a little bit back would have been better. Just the wind might not catch it as much. I don't know. But yeah, let's get the slider back on. Oh, fuck. No. Just wrecked my good shorts. Got the sliders reinstalled. The finish looks pretty good. The rocker guards turned out really good on there. They look fine to me. So that's without it. And even on my passenger side, you can see it's starting to come through. Ooh. Never noticed that dent there before either. Well, that'll get covered up. My phone says expect rain around 9. We're gonna get her done. passenger side is done. And looks like the storm is just gonna go around us, so that's sweet. But yeah, now I can clean up without having it rain on me. Looks pretty good, I would say. Would definitely recommend. I'll put a link down below where I got the product. And hopefully this video can help someone make the decision on if they want to do this to their Gladiator or not. Like I said before, the fitment seems really nice. Follows the body lines all, you know, perfect. Right in there, still nice and tight. Yeah, I'm very pleased with this product.